Hey everyone, it's Cathy Zielske. Welcome back to my channel and my studio. Today I am sharing the cutest little card featuring the Small Die of the Month Club for May from Spellbinders. There's so much paper piecing involved in this, but I think it was so worth the effort. Stick around, that card project is coming up next. Here's a look at the latest Small Die of the Month Club from Spellbinders. Now, if you look around, I have spent a lot of time planning out what I'm going to do. I have done all the cutting because I feel like die cutting on camera can get really tedious when there's all of these things. But I also took two of the cloud dies and I cut a piece of cardstock to be 4 inches by 5 1/4, and this is going to be my cloud panel. I put foam tape on it, but it's very thin foam tape. This is going to come into play later. It may or may not look good. I have no idea, but I'm going to set that aside. So that was a little work I did in advance. Now I'm going to grab, let's see here, some liquid glue. Got some Connect glue here from Gina K Designs, and I am going to prepare to glue. However, the one thing that I wanted to do, this is all Spellbinders cardstock, and I will have it all linked below, but I didn't have a shade that I wanted to go a little darker in the cardstock because I don't have that much Spellbinders cardstock. So I think I'm going to really quickly just grab a blending brush, a little blending brush, and add some different shading to make that darker. So hold on and let me grab that. I'm just going to put this on some grip mat. I don't feel like getting too wild, and this is so easy to clean up. And this, I've never done this, but this will hold my cardstock. I'm just going to take a little gray ink. This is Flannel from Simon Says Stamp. I'm going to load this brush up, and I guess on the parts that I'm going to see, I'll just, oh, well, maybe I do. Hold on. Okay, I didn't plan that. Here we go. Here we go. Going to go like this, and I'm going to deepen the color here, just so that when this dries back, it will look a little darker, and I think that will be okay. We'll see. Let's flip that around. If I don't like it, I can't pick these up. There we go. Come here. I don't know what. I just thought this would be nice to blend on, and it is. Okay. Bring that on. That way there'll be a little darker color, but not too dark. So we'll let that just sit. I'll get this cleaned up and we'll continue. Because this is all going to be just a little bits of gluing here and there, I'm going to put some music on, speed this up, and you can watch the plane come together. I think I have all the things. Oh wait, did I put that on wrong? Wait a second. Was this supposed to be? No, because this is going to come out from behind the plane, right? And the plane is flying with the banner. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't need any of these other pieces. Paper piecing for me, I am learning. It takes me, I don't know if it's a spatial thing, like it's hard for me even looking at the packaging to really know what I'm doing, but look at how stinking cute that is. All right, let me prep a note card so that we can figure out, because I'm going to have to put some foam tape on here too. I'm going to play around with this a little. So let me get the note card prepped. So I've got my piece of Neenah Classic Crest Solar White. I've been saying it wrong for years. I just want you to know it's Neenah is the mill, Classic Crest is the line of the paper, and Solar White is the color. And I have to send a shout out to Diane for calling me on that and reminding me, because no self-respecting designer wants to be wrong with what they call paper. Anywho, thank you, Diane. Merci. All right, so I am going to give that a nice press. I just think this is going to be really cute with the white on white for the clouds, and I think I cut my paper wrong. Did I? Oh, I think I scored it wrong, and you know what? Oh no. Well, guess what? This has to be, I'm going to fold that again. Hold tight. So I think that's a really cute way to make a background, right? With just the little cloud recesses. So I am going to take the backers off all of this foam tape. And again, this is a thinner loft of foam tape. This is one of the big Momma tape rolls from Simon Says Stamp. And I really like sometimes when you just have a thinner loft. This is just going to give me a little float time, like I like to do, so that I have just a little bit of wiggle room. And pop that down into place. Ooh, that's going to work. That's going to work. It's a little, my card stock is cut a little weird, and it came that way from the paper mill. So I'm a little bummed about that because I just ordered from the paper mill, but you know what? I think that's going to be just fine. Ooh, isn't that fun? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little foam to this as well, because I do want these to have some loft. So let me do that really quick and we'll glue these on. That's the position, and I think I'm actually going to glue this down first. And again, the foam might not make contact with all of the panel because there are little cutouts, but that's okay. It's just going to give it a little bit of loft off of the clouds. It's such a big banner. I mean, and I trimmed my panel down a little so you could do this on a full-size card. And again, I'll have information about these kits of the month because you don't know what you're going to get. And every month, if they have any left over, I do know they put some for sale. So let me see here. Why don't we just lift you and go like that? All right. Are we centered nicely on the panel? I think we are, like that. Okay. And then we're going to glue this down. Oh, so cute. So yes, I've been working with Spellbinders kits this year, and it's definitely been something that's different for me. Like, paper piecing is not my most confident area because, as I said, I think that there's just aspects of building something that sometimes I don't see it the way it actually comes together. Oh, I just pulled this all off. Come here now. Oh, I'm having so many little pieces. But yes, this has been, I mean, I think I'm just going to say it. This is my favorite one so far, because this, it's just fun to make a card, whether it's congratulations, like I'm going to put this into my graduation card folder because I think this would be a really fun grad card. And here, we're just going to go right up into the sky like that. How fun is that? All right, I'm going to add just a little shine. All right, to finish this off, I have this calls for Confetti Sparkle All the Way, which is one of my favorite silver confetti style sequins. And we'll just add this to our little scene. Boop. Get you here. Boop. Got the largest one here kind of poking into one of the openings. I'm going to do the same thing here with a medium-sized one. Boop. And just hang it a little into the cloud like that. I love doing that. And I think, do I have an odd number here? Boop. I think I do. And I think that is the finished card project. So that's, oh man, look at the texture though. Like it's like I ink blended on here to make the panel a little darker. It's hip hip hooray. The little pink, I mean, that is just adorable. So that's the finished card project. I will have information about the Spellbinders Small Die of the Month Club if you want to check out and become a subscriber. Also, if they have any of these available after subscribers get their kits, they will put them for sale, but I can't guarantee that. However, I just had to share this card, so I hope you enjoyed. You can find links to all of the supplies I used in today's card project in the YouTube description box. Thanks so much for watching. I would love to have you become a subscriber. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you back here with another card project soon. To see some of the other cards I've made using various Spellbinders of the Month kit clubs, check out the 2 thumbnails I have linked for you below, and I'll see you in those videos.